train?
Huh?
The train?
Yeah?
No.
That's gonna be fun.
Gotta get it down today.
On a certain scale?
Yeah, the logging truck on the far end, that's 1/10 scale. This is 1/14 scale.
Okay.
1/14 is the popular scale to build everything in. It's just easier to handle, and it's probably easier to build in 1/10 scale. It's got more room, but it takes up a lot of room. 1/10.
Oh, yeah. How long does your battery last?
It all depends what kind of batteries you're using and how old they are. My batteries, I'm marking them today. I'm gonna, the ones that aren't worth keeping anymore.
How many little motors were in there?
2 electric motors to drive the tracks,
Yeah.
and then electric motor to swing it, electric motor for the hydraulic pump,
Okay.
and then the rest are just spools to tell the oil which way to go.
So you got hydraulics in there too? Wow.
Yeah, these are hydraulics.
Okay.
Yeah. And they're 10 bars, so 140 psi.
So can you buy those pistons and stuff, or do you have to build them as well?
I don't. These are air cylinders. You buy them like for 20 bucks,
Okay.
and they don't leak, so they work
Yeah.
good for oil. It takes too long building the cylinders for me. That's too precise. This battery is just about done. You can see how slow it's getting.
figure it out on your own?
What I do is
machine
you just go to whatever to the real machine. So say you're going to build a Caterpillar.
Yeah.
Well, you can go to the Caterpillar website and pick whichever machine, Apache, and then you go to you click on the machine you want to build, and then you can go over to it's not schematics, but
Specifications or
specs or something, and they actually have side drawings of them,
Okay.
and with the actual size. So you print that off, and then you scale it to 1/14 scale. You take it down to the print shop and say, okay, you want it scaled up so the tracks are 13 inches long. So they just scale it up, and there's your side view, the exact size you built, right? That's how I do it. And then I just figure out how to make the tracks work and the rest work. But that's how I get the right scale. So you know that it's the right lengths and widths.
Well, looks proper, yeah. But perfect.
And then that's, you build it to the right size. But it's this stuff, for me, I build this out of styrene. So this is just cosmetic, right? To make it look like whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah.
The main thing is getting it to work properly and the right speed first, and then build.
Okay, so framing that's probably all metal, is it?
Aluminum, yeah.
Aluminum, yeah.
Yeah, so all, like on an excavator, this is styrene, so it's aluminum flat piece here, and aluminum boom. What I do is I use aluminum on the side,
Yeah.
I cut it out to the shape I want, then I put a piece of styrofoam together, so a piece of aluminum, and foam on the inside. So it's light, but yet it's strong.
Yeah. What's the bucket?
Aluminum. Yeah.
Hey, Tyson, look!
The kits are really expensive to buy. Like
They are, yeah.
between 5 and 10 grand, depends what kit you buy. They're made in Europe and they're really priced, so it's all it is really, time to build your own. A lot more economical.
Yeah, on the States last winter, they had some radio control hydroplanes.
Oh yeah,
Have you seen them?
That's crazy, eh?
Isn't it?
Fast.
Yeah. Especially the gas power.